An attempt to clean a chandelier without taking it down. So I'm going to use this, just some Windoline stuff. So I've done is put a towel on the floor. That's roofing felt, but you could use an open plastic bag. Obviously you've got to spray it front to back. They're definitely going to have to take these cups off the top. So you can see it's sitting on them. And they're gonna, this is just fresh water now. It's not what it says there, it is just clean water. I'm thinking I might try it with distilled water, like your window cleaners do. But first impressions are, that looks pretty clean to me. You can see this is pretty shiny. And this is the non-clean stuff. This is pretty grubby. I'll let it dry and come back. Okay, so I've now done all of it, and I have to say that looks pretty good. So when you think that it did look like this, and now it looks like this.